Christopher, this is Miss Segura, and I am going to help you find your classwork and show you where to go. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and log into your Jaffet third grade classroom. And from there, go ahead and click on classwork. Right here under assignments, it's probably going to look like that. Yeah. Under assignments, go ahead and click week 1. And then you're going to go ahead and click where it says third grade digital. And then this is going to go ahead and open up. It looks like a lot, but if you look at the first row, this is what we want you to try for Monday. The second row is what we want you to try for Tuesday. The third row is what we want you to try for Wednesday. The fourth row is Thursday, and the fifth row is Friday. So let's look at our first box. So the first one is math. So Flipgrid, you're going to go ahead and click on Segura's class. And from there, it will take you to Flipgrid. And you're going to go ahead and click on Log in with Google. Click on your name. And then you're going to go ahead and look at these 4 shapes and record yourself telling which one doesn't belong. So go ahead and look at the sides, count the sides, and then you're going to find out which one doesn't belong. And then you will, of course, click on the plus sign, add your video, and submit it. You can also look at your friends' videos and make comments. And it doesn't have to be long, real quick, 30 seconds, a minute, that's all we need. Go back to your menu. It says Seesaw, so we want you to complete a multiplication chart, I believe it is. So let's let that load. And we're looking for Seesaw, so it's right here. It says Seesaw Student. I don't think it matters which one we click on. Let's try an official. Let's try that one. And let's wait for that to open up. And it's going to log you in automatically. And here is your multiplication chart. If you want to hear the instructions played, go ahead and click on Play Instructions.
Hey guys, I know you can do this multiplication chart super fast. So on your mark, get set, go.
And in order to add your response, you click on the green button and then you fill in your multiplication chart as best as you can. I know it seems like a lot, but just do what you can. And let's go back to the grid. So after you do math, and if you want to do one assignment, if it's too much for you, that's fine. Don't worry. So the next one is going to be Raz Kids. Click on Raz Kids. And let's see what it's going to ask you for. Okay, so your teacher's username, you're going to type in ASEGURA18. Click Go and find your name. Your name is right there. So student password is going to be your lunch number, and let's see, what is your lunch number? 827402. Click Go. And I believe, and you're going to want to save that. Exit out of that. And I believe it says pick your favorite genre to read, read for 30 minutes, and take a quiz. So it doesn't have to be that long. Just find a book that you want to read and then take the quiz. So let's go back to the grid. Seesaw, go ahead and click on Seesaw, log in. And we want Seesaw, so we're going back to Seesaw. And this is for writing. And let's see, it says to describe yourself. And here it is, activity 1, describe yourself. And once again, you can play the instructions.
Add describing words to your picture to tell about yourself.
And then you will add your response. You can take a picture of yourself, you can draw yourself, you can take a video. It's up to you. You can take a picture from your phone and add it if you'd like. Okay, let's go back to the grid. Okay, so next we have social studies, Brain Pop. So you're going to click on Brain Pop. And here is your Brain Pop. Close that. And it says, log in with single sign-on, you did. Click on Brain Pop, you did. Class code DUCK 2055, you don't need that because you're in already. It says enter digital etiquette and take quiz. So we're going to type this into the Brain Pop search bar. So I'm going to go back to Brain Pop and I'm going to type in digital etiquette. And if you forget how to spell it, oh, and it popped up. If you forget how to spell it, you can always go back and look at it there. So click on digital etiquette, watch the movie, which is this movie, and then take the quiz, and that's it. Okay. And then for your brain break hygiene routine, click the link to watch a video on how to wash your hands. So, and you'll just watch this real quick video. And that's it for Monday. And then Tuesday, and like I said, do what you can. If it becomes too much or you need a break, it's okay. Okay, just do what you can. And then Tuesday, so we're going to look at Tuesday, this row, we're going to click on Seesaw, multiplication arrays. So Seesaw, log in, click on Seesaw, and it logs you in automatically. You did this, you did this. Let's go to multiplication arrays. Scroll down, and here it is. So here are your multiplication arrays. This one does not have the instructions read aloud, but the instructions are right here. It says click the green button, add response to find your name. Use the T tool to write a number sentence for each image. Use the microphone tool to explain your thinking for one of the problems. Be sure to use mathematical language and then click the green check mark to submit your work. Okay, let's close that. Imagine Math. If you have time, if it's not too much, you can do Imagine Math, because I do see that there are 2 activities for math per day. So like I said, if it becomes too much, just do what you can. That was, what was that? Imagine Math. So let's go look for Imagine Math, and there it is. So I think Miss Carter just wants you to get on Imagine Math for about 30 minutes. And yes, 30 minutes. So for reading on Tuesday, Flipgrid, reading fluency practice. So again, you're going to go back to Flipgrid and you're going to complete that activity for reading. Okay, and there are the instructions. We already have some of your classmates leaving responses, which is cool. I want to go back and see that. And then for writing, once again, you're going to go to Nearpod, and it says Narrative Writing Practice, The Crazy House. So you'll click on Nearpod, and it'll take you back. And, ooh, see, I don't have the login for this, so don't worry about Nearpod right now. I'll have to figure that out. So if I'm not worried about it, you don't worry about it. So don't worry about Nearpod for now. Okay, and then science, we're going to do Seesaw. How do human activities affect the ecosystem? So click on log in, Seesaw. Okay, we'll delete that. That's the one that I made earlier. Okay, so you'll go down and find the activity. And it's not here, so don't worry about it. I know this is all new to us. If you click on something and it's not there, don't even worry about it. You won't get a bad grade for it. You won't fail it. It's just not there. So we can't make you do something that's not there. So I'm going to click that. And then PE Google class. I think you've already been on PE and art. So like I said, you're just going to go through each day and you're going to click on the links, and most of the links will log you in automatically. I think it's just Nearpod that we had trouble with, so don't worry about Nearpod right now. But that's it. And then Wednesday, you're going to do the same thing. Click on the link and find the activity. Thursday as well, click on the link, your link, and then find, oh, there's another Nearpod, so don't worry about that one. And here's a Flipgrid, RazKids, Nearpod, and Nearpod. Don't worry about these two. Those links are broken. And then Prodigy Math, Room Recess. Let's check out what that is. Oh, learning games for kids. So there you have it. You can kind of explore that and play some games for that one. And I think that's it. ABCYA, we know what that one is. I think we used to get on that all the time. Yes. So you're pretty familiar with that one. So that's it, Christopher. Just take your time, like I said. I know it seems like a lot. Don't worry. Just click on the link and it will take you where you need to go. And that's it. Don't worry about Nearpod at this time. All right. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye, Christopher.